Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we will discuss the controversial topic of whether men and women move on shall be separated into different classes. We have four speakers here today who will present their argument. On the right side, we have the A and B speaker, and the com side we have the C and D speaker. Let's start with the E speaker from the first side.
Thank you, moderator. I believe that separating the men and women movement into different classes had its merit. The physical and psychological women can affect the way they learn and participate in physical activity. In different classes, we can adapt the curriculum and learning method to suit the needs of a gender. This will increase the effectiveness, comfortable environment for our students.
Thank you, moderator. I do not agree with the view separating male and female movement in class actually exceeding gender diversity. This sends the message that men and women have inherent different abilities and interests. However, the diversity and uniqueness of each individual must be respected. And men and women shall have equal opportunity to participate in physical activity and learn from one another.
I understand the concern expressed by speaker C, but separating the movement of men and women in class does not mean we judge them unfairly. The goal is to create a more inclusive environment where each student feel comfortable participating and developing according to their need. In addition, class separation can help reduce social pressure and provide space for students to focus on their progress without being compared to other gender.
I understand the reason behind class segregation, but we shall not forget the important value of collaboration and cooperation between men and women. The real world does not separate the same based on gender. When doing activities or work, by creating an environment that is inclusive and profit equal opportunity, we can have prepare a better generation capable of interaction with diverse individuals and building respectful relationship. This debate highlights the different arguments about class separation based on gender. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.